Hi and welcome to REHASENSE Academy. Today we will look at the unpacking and assembly of the PAWS manual. In the box you will find the PAWS main body itself, the manual clamps, the width adjustment rods, battery charger and a toolkit with a set of Allen keys. The tools you will need for this assembly are a 30mm key, 4, 5, 6 and 8mm Allen keys and a pair of nippers or scissors. The first things to do when you lift out the main body is to unfold the parking stand. Just push down the handle on each side, swing out the stand until it locks in the hatch. Cut off the cable tie to expose the display. Unlock the two screws that keep the handlebar locked into the non-driving direction. Turn the handlebar so that it is approximate driving direction. You don't have to fully tighten the screws at the moment. Time to assemble the clamping system. Find a straight part of the wheelchair tubing where to attach the PAWS. Take one of the clamps and try to fit onto the frame. If it's too tight, you can loosen the nut until it fits. When it fits, it's time to adjust the locks. Do this by adjusting the nut until the clamps fit snugly and locks by adding a moderate force on the clamp handle. For future needs, you can measure the distance between the tubes where the PAWS will be clamped. Now, unlock the clamping locks by pushing the handle down all the way. You can now insert the clamping system into the tubes. Don't lock them yet. For better flexibility, you can turn the clamping arms upside down and vice versa in order to get the needed range for where to clamp the PAWS to the wheelchair. The first bolt is used to adjust the height of the system. Use a 6mm key to unlock and lock. The second bolt is for adjusting the angle of the attachment arms so that it will fit the angle of the wheelchair tubing. Use an 8mm Allen key for this. Finally, the third bolt is used for adjusting the rotation angle and also for the distance between the wheelchair and the PAWS. Use a 6mm Allen key for this. Position the wheelchair so that it will fit into the clamp on one side. Keep the 3 adjustment bolts loosened. Now, find a position of the clamp where it will lock properly. Lock the clamp and tighten the adjustment bolts. Not too hard because this is only the initial stage. Now it's time for the other side and you will go through the same procedure as the first clamp. It's important that you have the same clearance on both sides. It's easy to see by the scales on the tubes. You lock the clamping systems by pushing the handle on each side upwards. And now it's time to attach the wheelchair. When everything looks correct, you can lock the respective guide ring on each side. These rings will assure that you always will get the clamping system in the same position every time you take them off. Tighten all bolts and test to lift the wheelchair front wheels off the ground. Press the release lever on the handlebar and lift up forwards until you feel the click. Now you're ready to take off.